have the same issues with their iPhones. I'm ready.
My guest today is Professor Daniel Whiteson, who is Professor of Physics and Astronomy at the University of California, Irvine. He uses machine learning and statistical tools to analyze high energy particle collisions to unravel the nature of matter and energy. Welcome, Daniel.
Thanks very much for having me on.
Yes, I know that you do a bunch of work at CERN,
Hmm.
but that's not going to be the topic of our conversation today. It's a bit of a speculation in some ways. I love it. I love speculations.
Mm,
And so you wrote a book, Do Aliens Speak Physics?
I did. With my friend
Now,
Andy Warner, the cartoonist.
it's a beautiful book.
Thank you.
I read part of it. I have to confess I didn't read all of it. Um, but this is something I wondered about. Um, Not being a physicist, but I always wondered about this. So
Hmm.
the so let me start a little bit of a different position, and then we'll go into the book. So so you can correct me if I'm typically wrong. So let me correct me. So I like to use whole numbers. I know you guys want to use 10 decimal points, shut up and calculate stuff.